Hi, my name is Shivanter Singh, and I am a plant-based chef. Today, I'm going to do a very simple salad concept. I have a quinoa salad that I'm putting together. I cook very differently than most chefs. I cook very intuitively. So I feel it's important to kind of navigate the dishes I make by taste and by visual. So this is just me kind of working with the ingredients that kind of make sense to me. So basically what I'm doing is just kind of taking a little bit of each, kind of putting it into the container. I've chopped up walnuts, I have pistachios, I have lemon zest, and then what I'll do is I will shave off some of the broccoli so that I'll use the chlorophyll rich tips of the broccoli. Tossing this together with some olive oil, and what I like to do is, along with sea salt, is I'm going to add a little bit of local maple syrup so that you get the combination of the salt and the sweet that becomes very complementary. What I like to try and achieve is for people in particular that haven't been exposed to vegetarian, vegan food, to experience the taste, the flavors, the experience of the vegetables and go, wow, that's really vibrant. I can do this. So this is a very simple recipe that I've put together. My suggestion is get in the kitchen, put together some items, see how it works, and let your intuition be the guide. Thanks.